Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how furniture is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
That sunrise looks amazing, reflecting off the glass.
Yeah, it's a good start to the day.
Slide it towards the jack.
Okay, I have the weight.
Clear on this side.
The craftsmanship on this piece is truly exceptional.
It's absolutely stunning. I love the texture.
The tensile strength simulation on the armrest is still showing red.
If we adjust the polymer blend here, it should stabilize the matrix.
This batch of recycled cotton looks perfect for the new line.
Good. The demand for the wood polymer is higher than expected.
The fatigue test on the sofa is exceeding expectations.
Yes, the joint stress on the chair frame looks stable too. We are well within the safety parameters.
You really thought you could get away with that.
I can't believe you brought that up. We will never let you forget it.
Careful now, don't wake your grandfather. Oh, let them be. It's lovely noise.
Top mày. Sanzotin in front.
The audio captures a bustling yet focused factory research and
Production speed is up by 20% this cycle.
And logistics are keeping pace globally. The new AI model is exceeding expectations.
The stress test results align with the projections.
Yes, the tensile strength is within acceptable limits. We can proceed.
The efficiency gains in Q3 are quite promising.
Yes, and waste is down another 5%. We should implement this across all lines.
It's good to finally put faces to the names from the marketing team. Absolutely, breaks like this really help us connect.
They certainly do. Keep up the great work, everyone.
Congratulations on reaching the milestone. Thank you, sir. It was a team effort.
As you can see, the Q4 projections align perfectly with the automated output below.
Yes, the synergy is remarkable.
Another day, another opportunity to build something great.
Absolutely. Let's power up.
Different countries, different lifestyles. The same comfort and design.
Furniture connecting lives everywhere.